An Applied Bank secured credit card requires a refundable security deposit, and that deposit becomes your credit limit while your payment history gets reported to the credit bureaus to help build credit over time. By the end, you'll know if this card is actually worth using, what it does well, where it falls short, and who should avoid it completely. Start with how it works in practice. You send in a security deposit when you open the account. That deposit protects the issuer and sets your spending limit. Every month, your balance, payments, and account activity are reported to the major credit bureaus. That reporting is the main driver of credit building, not rewards or perks. This card is designed for people with limited or damaged credit who need a basic entry point into the credit system. It's not built for spending flexibility or rewards. The focus is strictly on getting credit activity to show up on your report in a consistent way. Now look at the main difference compared to other secured cards. Applied Bank cards tend to be very basic in structure. There's usually no reward system, and the card experience is focused entirely on function instead of features. That can be useful if your only goal is rebuilding credit without distractions. But that simplicity comes with trade-offs. Some secured cards offer clearer upgrade paths into unsecured credit cards, or include features that encourage long-term use. Applied Bank is more limited in that area, which means your progress depends almost entirely on how you manage payments and balances over time. Now talk about what actually matters for your credit. The biggest factor is consistency. On-time payments and low credit utilization are what drive improvement. Missing payments or carrying high balances will slow down progress, no matter which secured card you choose. So the decision comes down to your situation. If you've been denied elsewhere and just need a basic way to start building credit history, this card can serve that purpose. If you want rewards, strong upgrade options, or more modern credit building features, there are better alternatives. Quick recap. Applied Bank is simple, deposit-based, and focused on credit reporting. It gives you a basic entry point, but not much beyond that. Next step is straightforward. Only use this if your priority is getting approved and starting credit activity as quickly as possible, not maximizing benefits. If this helped, like and subscribe for more clear credit card breakdowns without the confusion.